What's up? Welcome back to another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a nice watch face to review. Now, the name of the developer that created this one goes by the name of SWFD. The name of the watch face is called 050 Skittles. Now, Skittles, you may like this one. Now, I'm loving the design of this watch face. I think the whole layout is on point, especially for a super casual weekend day. Now, in the AOD mode, you're going to get a nice digital time, but I want to focus on the watch face when it's on. Now, I like the fact that it gives you everything that most people are looking for out of a watch face. There's battery info, step status info, so that means you're going to get your heart rate, your step information, calories burned, things of that nature, floors climb. You're also going to get a nice big bold digital time, and I like the mirror effect that this watch face has. Looks very nice, add a little bit of character to the watch face. Now, the only thing is that I wish it was 12 hours. Now, I know there's a lot of people out there that love 24 hours, and if you do, this one's gonna be for you. I paid 99 cents in the Gear Manager store for this one, so don't forget, hit me in the comment section down below. Let me know if this was a download or leave it right where it's at. Now, you're also gonna get your date, you're gonna get your month, you're gonna get the day of the week as well, and it is not interactive to a degree. You can't go into the step status info or anything like that for the 99 cents, but you can double tap and you can customize the color theme of the watch face, which I thought was really cool. Has a nice blend of colors as you scroll through. It's not bad at all. I thought the developer definitely did a good job with this. The only thing is, I'm gonna reach out and ask the developer, make a 12-hour watch face of this watch face design. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative, and if it was, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out, and I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.